Hey everyone, we're Lance Fancy Gaming. We are doing Patreon Part 9, I believe. Man, it's just too many. This is the last one for the month. It is the last one for this month. We are looking at D&D, Warhammer proxies, and figures for STL 3D prints. If you do enjoy it, please subscribe, like, and share. Check out our Patreon and Discord, and all the links we'll be looking at will be down below for you guys as well. If you want me to look at some other Patreon, put it down in the comments below, and let's get started. So we got Eons of Battle. They do a lot of YouTube videos of how to paint and modify your characters, but they also have these guys for this month. I think we already looked at it, and I do want to get it for my terrains, and it is freaking big, especially that big plasma cannon that they have up on there as well. Next is 3D Printing Realm. I don't think they're alive anymore. Let's see. Nope. Or did. Realms of Path. I believe this is Blood Bowl. I think this is Nurgle Blood Bowl, I believe. Um, yeah, Nurgle. Blood Bowl for the Nurgles, if you're interested in that. I do want to try painting some Blood Bowl, the actual Blood Bowl, especially the Halloween set that they have. I really do want to try that out, but we'll see if it comes in my hands or not. Primal Beast Mini, I don't think they are back in many ways. Nope, they've been gone for almost 2 years. Wow. Blueprint Miniatures. This is D&D. And from this, we got Client the Pharaoh. So this will be it. So this could be for Cyberpunk. This could be for D&D. But that's January preview for that. Nut Stellar, another figure. If you're into like looty stuff. Shotgun Girl, the big old biddies. And I think this one too is done as well. If you're interested on getting the figures for that. ES Monster, another figure. This one I usually get all the time. For this, well, we got Tinkerbell. That's February reward. Superman's February. February. January, you got Cyclops. That is going to be pretty cool. We got Quiet. I do like the paint that they're using on this as well. We got the Oni. And we got the Batman with the helmet off. And Catwoman. Jewel Thief. And that'll be it. And he did got some extra ones as well that's going to come for it. So this is going to be reward for the whole January. Roland Arts, another figure one thing we looked in the past as well. So we got the pinup, and we got also stuff for D&D as well. We got, let's see here, Queen Hilda. Looks like a necromancer. Is this supposed to be the evil queen? Oh, okay. Mirror Knight, the Scout, the Priest, and Hippolyte. And that'll be it for that. Warp miniature. This is like AD&D style miniatures back in the days when they had chainmail and stuff. So we got Frog, and if one of the frogs riding on the axolotl. This could be like a Bugwig style miniature if you want to do it. And we got little mushrooms with a little sword and little. It's got a little archer, a little staff, a mushroom staff. The stuff's freaking cute. It really is cute. For it. Station Forge, Warhammer proxy for this. So Bombarded from the Imperium. The Flag Bearer. It's like Volcanus tanks. That's actually pretty good for Sisters of Battle. Just take this guy out and just put one of the Sisters of Battle figures in there. We got the Mechanicus. Some of the newer mechanic is that more Games Workshop made looks pretty damn cool. But I'm also want to get some, but I don't have the money for it. We have some more Imperiums. That's December, just all December one. There's gonna be probably one more before they finish for the month. Go check them out. GM 3D. These are figure pinups as well. This is Chill. You can get, and we also got Fearin in 2B uniform as well. Arcane Workshop. I think we're getting Kobolds. Some gnarly looking Kobolds as well. Yeah, some Kobolds. More Kobolds. More Kobolds out of this winged Kobold. Regular Fighter Kobold. Spellcaster. Miner. I think that's supposed to be another fighter as well. But yeah, Kobolds. Ocean Minis. This is like a proxy for Tyranids. If you're interested in proxy and Tyranids, I don't see anything for January because this one was for December. But hopefully we get to see something for January. Zen Studio, another anime figure. For this November, December, I don't think we have anything for January yet, but you should take a look when they ever do. VN97, they're back. We're open, huge. Cami, online shop, skull, CG trace, straight up, and goodbye. But yeah, just take a look with them when they actually release something for January. Ethan Savage, this is a D&D style, but with like Final Fantasy to it, or RPG. January commission preview. So we got a whole bunch of other stuff. We got some done to down ones for your minis. Don't know where that's from. That's December. I think there should be more for January. PS Miniature, another Warhammer Proxy. I think we're getting more Sisters of Battle for January. I forgot what these are called. Oh, the one that has basically they just rip the armor up and they have to repent and fight on and stuff like that. That'll be for this month. Void Real Minis. These are like Far Realm style miniatures. If you do like going off doing Spelljammer and stuff, I don't see what January looks like right now, but just show what it looks like. Like the owl. But yeah, this will be really good if you do like Spelljammer. Kikashinko miniatures. For January, we got if it loads, some bears with tank stuff on, machine guns on top of it, and armies. This is like wargaming style. If you're interested in certain type of wargaming, you also probably could actually, replace a lot of them with your Imperials. Have a little Chinese faction and your freaking Imperials, I'm guessing. But yeah. Be it. First batch done. I think this is the old school samurai set as well. It's kind of cool. I wish I had more friends to play with more stuff. Sanex 3D, another figure. This what I think got this guy from Walking Dead. You also got Scarlett Johansson in Black Widow suit, and a whole bunch more as well. I think let's see here, RPG Tiger Skull. This is D&D. Wow, has oh no, Happy New Year's release. There we go. Disciplines of Puppets. It is like the hollow armor of one. So it's like a animate object. It's kind of cool. I'm not gonna. He does not do. Stefan Sculpts, another figure as well. So you got Monroe Vampira and Harley Quinn for it. Let's see here. Sky 3D Studio. Can't really see January poll winner. This is the main model for it. And Dungeon Collector. We're getting World of Warcraft. So we got Gromish for January Sculpt. Well, anyhow, that'll be it for today. Thank you guys very much. That is all for January. Hope you guys enjoy it. Please subscribe, like, and share. Check out our page and Discord. Thank you guys very much. I hope you guys have a great day. Bye.